Hey guys, good morning to you. Jungle Jerry here with Tiki 71. Just a quick little tip. If you own a Dodge Challenger and you have put an aftermarket air filter, air intake system in, I want to show you a little trick that you may not know about, but can be very, very handy. Check this out. I've got a GT 2021 Dodge Challenger and I've got the K&N 63 series air intake system on here. And what you'll notice is you've got the inner lights, right? There's a little secret here, and it is that you can actually pop this one out, and looky there, I've got unrestricted access now to my air filter. I did not know that, and it's really easy to get to. All you have to do is you just put your finger right here, and actually you can kind of lift up in here and kind of work your finger over and then just kind of pull on it right there, and you'll get access to it. And what you're going to find in there is three little tabs. You're going to find three little tabs right in here. If I can get things to focus. Right inside this deal right here, and it's going to look like this. Pop those three tabs out, push it forward, and just like that, unrestricted airflow. For you old hands in the Mopar community, this may be common knowledge, but it's brand new to me, and it might be new to some of you others, so thought it might help. You guys be safe out there, and I got to go try some new 0 to 60 times now. See you later.